here tells us that ClickFunnels has changed his business and life.
Absolutely life-changing.
Tim teaches his audience how to photograph amazing landscapes from amazing locations. Must be easy, right?
The wind was howling. I had to take ice screws and screw the tripods into the ice. Audio was completely destroyed.
Are you getting this?
But we did it, and it was still super successful.
Not a bad place for a webinar. So tell us, how did you get started?
I had this hobby of landscape photography. I had never made any money with the hobby, but one day I bumped into an online influencer. He said, you know, Tim, you should teach people. You need to create your first live webinar. And when I heard those words, I just thought, oh no, my wife and I are leaving on a trip in 17 days, and there's just no way. And he said to me, dude, I know you can do it.
Yikes. Talk about pressure.
With just 17 days, ClickFunnels was the one and only solution to be able to create super quick sales pages with order forms, easy drag and drop system where what you see is what you get. I hosted my first live webinar on the trip, and I've now sold that masterclass over 15,000 times.
Nice work. So what's next, Tim?
I think I would love to host the world's first live webinar from Antarctica. I think that would be the coolest place.
Wow, we love that idea. If you're ready to launch your business, sign up for a free trial of ClickFunnels today.